I'm Tom Bassett, an Answers Leader in the Salesforce Trailblazer community. Here's one of our top community answers that we've turned into a video for you. Here's the question: how to relate cases to one another? And here's the answer. Let's jump into Salesforce to get started. From our list of cases, let's click on a case. From the case, you can see any related parent case. And from here, you can easily relate another case. Let's relate this case to our case for billing issue. Now from the case, using the case hierarchy, you can easily visualize the case and any related issues. This way, one support rep can work on the product issue and another can work on the billing issue in tandem. You can also view related cases via the related list. If you have more questions, tap into the wisdom of our entire Trailblazer community at trailhead.salesforce.com/trailblazer-community. You can find me over on the Trailblazer community and via LinkedIn.